Hey fellow stock guardians, happy Wednesday, August 11th, 2021. I'm Hoda, Stockcard CEO, reporting to you from a mixed stock market once again. Today I covered the new consumer price index report that affected the indices, explored Wendy's newly announced ghost kitchens, and dug into the dip in WW International stock price after earnings. Finally, I shared an exciting new improvement to Stockcard. Stick around till the end to hear about what we've built for you. Let's get started. The market indices ended the day mixed. The Consumer Price Index by the Bureau of Labor Statistics was released today, and it showed higher consumer prices. Luckily, the core inflation numbers didn't rise too quickly, falling just short of expectations. For example, used car prices have only gone up 0.2% in July compared to 10% in June. Perhaps the Fed's insistence on the short-term nature of recent inflation is true, and things are cooling up as the economy deals with short-term shortages and logistic challenges. We've got to wait and see. Before we start today's stock analysis, let me thank you for being a stock guardian. We appreciate you watching, listening to, and reading the Daily Roll episodes. And more importantly, we thank you for using a Stockcard platform in your stock market research. Thank you for being a stock guardian. If you aren't a user yet, I'd like to invite you to try now. First, hit the like button, subscribe to the show, and then create a free account on stockcard.io. Thank you for becoming a new stock guardian. Sometimes ghosts can scare off would-be customers, but sometimes they're good for business. The ghosts I'm talking about today don't hunt people. I'm talking about ghost kitchens. Last year, founder and ex-CEO of Uber, ticker UBER, Travis Kalanick, turned his Uber Eats expertise into a new business venture. He watched food delivery services boom and found the need that he could feel. He named them ghost kitchens for restaurants that have no actual restaurant. Kalanick began renting out commercial spaces for restaurants just to fulfill online delivery orders for services such as Grubhub, ticker GRUB, and more. It seems as though his idea has been validated by other companies following suit. In today's earnings report for the Wendy's, ticker WEN, the company announced that it would be launching 700 ghost kitchens for food delivery in the next 4 years. This comes through a partnership with Reef, the largest logistic hubs and kitchens operator in the United States and Canada. Wendy's stock was up by almost 4% at closing today, after reporting a 20% jump in sales compared to last year's second quarter. Looking at the company's stock card, it's profitable with solid free cash flow. It does need to work on its debt mainly. I like how Wendy's is thinking, and I'm going to keep a close eye on the success of its new experimental kitchens to decide whether or not I should invest. I found WW International, ticker WW, near the top of today's loser list on the Stockcard. You probably recognize this company by its previous name, Weight Watchers, which had Oprah Winfrey on its board and as an investor and promoter. Well, today the company released its second quarter earnings report and the stock quickly plummeted. So what? Has Oprah abandoned her investment? And should you? Let's take a look. It appears that investors weren't impressed by the underwhelming outlook for new subscriptions to the company's weight loss program. The 6% year-over-year growth in subscribers wasn't quite up to expectations of WW management and investors. It might be that Weight Watchers is just not quite reaching the young adult populations as well as it used to. New companies approach marketing and branding with a more modern angle, like its privately managed competitor Noom. Noom is a startup that maintains a heavy focus on the psychological side of getting fit and healthy. It's an app that helps you understand why you eat, what you eat, and then builds a diet and lifestyle around it. It has even attracted corporate investors like Novo Nordisk Holding, ticker NVO, which became a shareholder in May of this year. That being said, is WW International just outdated? To me, it mostly feels like a weight loss program for moms. I'm just kidding, of course, but I couldn't help it. I looked at WW stock card and noticed that it was a top 25 holding in the Invesco DW Consumer Staples Mom ETF, ticker PSL, on the left-hand panel on its stock card. The name gave me a good laugh. In this case, if you're wondering, mom in that ETF's name represents momentum, but it's indeed a good reference to WW's target customers. I think there are better stocks to invest in rather than WW International. If Oprah Winfrey's name couldn't lead to sustainable rapid growth, the brand is in trouble in my books. Folks, last week, we rolled out a significant new update to Stock Card. We greatly improved our ETF cards. Earlier today, I uploaded a quick rundown to show you how to research ETFs using the ARK Innovation ticker ARKK ETF example. The Stock Card team and I are super excited to let you guys get your hands on this new tool. ETF cards have been one of the most requested features that you have asked for in the last 12 months, and your wish is our command. For more in-depth explanation, I'd like to invite you to check out the demo video. I'll leave a link in the show notes below. That's it for today. If you haven't already done so, please give a stock card a try. Research as many stocks and ETFs as you want, and consider following a few successful investors by visiting the Stock Picks page on the Stock Card platform. Don't forget to sign up for a 14-day free trial with promo code ROLLWITHRCEO, all lowercase in one word. Like, subscribe, and share these daily market recap reports with your friends. Come back tomorrow for another market recap report. I'll see you then.